Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Mustang key battery. First, identify your specific key fob model to ensure you have the correct battery type. Most Mustang key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery. Next, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and your new CR2032 battery. Make sure you're working in a clean, well-lit area to prevent losing any small parts. This preparation makes the process smooth and easy. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot or indentation, usually on the side or bottom edge of the fob. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting or prying motion, begin to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time and apply even pressure to avoid damaging the plastic. The goal is to carefully unclip it. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note or even a photo of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver or a fingernail. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, often marked with a plus sign, is facing the same direction as the old one. Now it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they're securely fastened. Once reassembled, test your key fob immediately. Try locking and unlocking your Mustang's doors to confirm everything is working correctly. If not, reopen and check the battery orientation. Also, remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.